Hello amigos, finally HyperOS Launcher Mod is here for all MIUI users with additional features that you won't find on regular MIUI launcher, especially in low-end Xiaomi or Redmi smartphones. Plus you get the look of HyperOS Launcher including new iconography and polished pop-up menus. This build also includes color-based app sorting as in Poco launcher with a cool animation and several other features such as single-line app titles that also support auto-scroll as you would be able to see here in 𝗍𝗀𝗍 app title. And everyone's favorite iOS style recent menu aka App Switcher. Let's see how to install it. Currently I'm using MIUI Launcher Mod and the first thing we'll do is download the HyperOS Launcher Mod. It's an initial build so there aren't going to be crazy customizations as in previous MIUI launcher mods, but we'll sure have more features added in upcoming updates. Now we'll head to Magisk Manager app. Go to Modules section within the app and I'll remove any other MIUI launcher mod if installed. Then we'll tap Install from Storage and select the HyperOS Launcher Mod zip. Tap OK to confirm installation. If your device runs Android 13 or above, you might need to disable signature verification to make this mod work properly. Once the mod is successfully installed, tap Reboot. The device has rebooted and as you can see there aren't many visible changes yet. To make changes, simply long press or pinch in on your home screen to go to Settings and set your preferences. When done, simply turn on Restart Launcher for the changes to take effect. To get HyperOS icons and wallpapers, check out the description. That's it. Hope the video would be of some help. If it's so, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel.